Hi, this is Christina from The Turned Leg. I thought I would show you something. Here is the brand new DIY old and gray barnwood patina. It's instantly weathered wood. I love to use all of the liquid patinas as stains, especially dark and decrepit. This one I'm trying for the first time. You want to see what it looks like? Let's open it up and check it out. Okay, here it is, opened, already like totally mixed. And you can put it, I'm gonna use a foam brush today. This surface has already been sanded. It's a little damp because I just used a damp cloth to kind of get some of the dust, but I sanded it with a 80 grit and then over with a 220. So I've completely revealed the beautiful wood underneath. I think this is gonna be a great candidate for some barnwood patina. And let's take a look. Okay, let's get started. I'm just gonna dip it in. And we're just gonna brush it on and kind of see what happens. Sometimes if you don't like how it looks, you can wipe it back, but man, it's just soaking right in. So I'm gonna kind of just let it do its thing. Another trick I like to do is I have a super fine fit mist sprayer that I use. Oh, and they look like this. I got it at Hobby Lobby. And I spray the surface, so then when you put the patina on, and I do this for dark and decrepit all the time, when you put the patina on, it helps it spread evenly. Oh my goodness, I am loving this color. Brand new, just in. I got lots of containers of it down at Plaza Antiques. And you know, if you've hated refinishing furniture before, I mean, look, it's like paint. Now when I get done with this, and I'm gonna keep adding coats until I like it. When I get done with this, I'm gonna coat this with DIY Big Top, usually 2 to 3 coats, and you'll have a good solid seal on it. So I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done.